Dear student, in this video we will learn conversion of fraction into percent, conversion of decimal into percent, conversion of whole number into percent. We study about conversion. Now conversion of fraction into percent. Conversion of fraction into percent. To convert fraction into percent, to convert fraction into percent, there are two ways. First is convert a fraction into an equivalent fraction. Convert a fraction into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100, and second is multiply the fraction by 100. There are two methods to convert fraction into percent. First, convert a fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 100, and second, multiply the fraction by 100. For example, suppose you have 3 by 4 and you have to convert into percent. Then simply you multiply by 100%. Cancel 4 with 100 25 times and then you get 75%. Now next conversion is conversion of decimal into percentage. Conversion of decimal into percentage. Conversion of decimal into percentage. To convert decimal into percent, there are two ways. First is convert decimal into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. First is convert decimal into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. And second is multiply the decimal by 100. Multiply the decimal by 100. For example, suppose if you convert 0.25 into percent, we simply 0.25 multiply with 100, multiply by 100. So we write 0.25 into 100%. So when you multiply by 100 any decimal number, then decimal shift 2 digit right, and simply we write 25%. This is the answer. Now next conversion is conversion of whole number into percentage. Next is conversion of whole number into percentage. Conversion of a whole number conversion of a whole number into a percentage. Conversion of whole number into a percentage. To convert whole number into percentage, there are also two ways. To convert whole number into a percentage, there are two ways. First is convert the whole number into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. First is convert the whole number into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. And second is multiply the whole number by 100. There are also two ways. For example, suppose convert 23 into percentage. We simply multiply 23 by 100%, then you get 2300%. This is the answer. We take another example. Suppose we have a whole number 5, then to convert fraction we simply multiply 5 into 100% and you got 500%. This is the answer. For another ways, we can write 23 is equal to 23 by 100 into 100. We simply multiply or divide by both. 100 by 100. It means 2300 by 100, and we can write 23 by 100. Here we convert the whole number 23 into fraction with denominator 100, and here the numerator is in the form of percentage, so we can write 2300%. Again, for another example, suppose we have whole number 5. We simply write 5 by 100 into 100. Then you get 500 by 100. Here denominator is 100. Here we convert the fraction with denominator 100 and we write 500%. Is it clear to everyone? Now we start worksheet 5. Worksheet 3. In the first question, here convert the following fraction into percentage. Convert the following fraction into percentage. We know that when we have to convert into percentage, then simply we multiply by 100. When we have to convert fraction into percentage, simply we multiply by 100. So here 4 by 5, we can write 4 by 5 into 100%. Here 5 cancel with 100 in 20 times, so you get 80%. In question number B, here 6 by 10, simply you multiply 6 by 10 by 100%. Here 10 cancel with 100 in 10 times and write we 60%. In question number C, here 3 by 4, we simply multiply by 100%. 4 cancel with 100 in 25 times and 3 into 25, that is 75%. In question number D, here 9 by 50. So we simply multiply by 100%, and after cancelling we get 9 into 2%, that is 18%. And in question number E, here 1 whole 2 by 5, 1 whole 2 by 5. Here the given fractions in mixed number, So first we convert into improper fraction, then we write 7 by 5, and simply to convert into percentage we multiply by 100%. So 5 cancel with 100 in 20 times, and 7 into 20, that is 140%. In question number F, here 1 whole 1 by 10, it means 11 by 10. It means 11 by 10 into 100%. So 10 cancel with 100 in 10 times, so you got 110%. This is the answer. Now question number 2. In question number 2, convert the following into percentage. Convert the following into percentage. Convert the following into percentage. Here first is 6. We can write, to convert whole number into percentage, simply we multiply by 100%. Then you write 6 into 100%, that is 600%. Again in question number B, here 15, simply you multiply 15 by 100%, that is 1500%. Third is 28, so we write 28 into 100%, then you got 2800%. In question number D, here 13, so simply we write 13 into 100%, then you get 1300%. In question number E, here 9, so simply 9 multiply with 100%, then you got 900%. In question number F, here whole number is 1, so you multiply 1 by 100% and you got 100%. This is the answer. Now question number 3. In question number 3, convert the following decimal. Convert the following decimal into percentage. Convert the following decimal into percentage. So first is 0.45. First, when we have to convert decimal into percentage, simply we multiply by 100%. So we write 0.45 into 100%. When you multiply any decimal number by 100, simply the decimal shift 2 digit right, and here decimal is before 4, so we count 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit and put decimal, so we get 45%. In question number B, here 0.09, so simply we write 0.09 into 100%, into क्या होगा 100%. So we write 0.09. So when we have to multiply decimal number by 100, then decimal shift 2 digit right. So after decimal shift 2 digit right, तो decimal अभी देखो यहाँ है 1 डिजिट 2 डिजिट, तो 9 के बाद आ जाएगा, तो सिंपली 9 के बाद कोई नंबर नहीं है तो क्या लिखेंगे 9%. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर C, here 2.25, then we write 2.25 into 100%. So here again we multiply by 100, so decimal shift 2 digit right and you get 225%. In question number D, here 7.6, so 7.6 multiply with 100%. So we write here decimal shift 2 digit right, but here only 1 digit, so we put 1 0 and put decimal, so we get 760%. In question number E, 0.01, it means 0.01 into 100%. So decimal shift 2 digit right, so we get 1%. In question number F, here 0.135, it means 0.135 into 100%, it means 135%. इज इट नहीं 135% नहीं होगा, देखो डेसिमल शिफ्ट करेगा 2 डिजिट, तो ये 13.5% होगा. क्या होगा 13.5%. दिस इज द आंसर. In question number 4, here choose the correct number. First is 5%. So first you convert into fraction. So remove percentage sign and divide by 100. When we divide any number by 100, then decimal shift 2 digit left, but here only 1 digit. So we take 1 0 and put decimal. So the correct answer is 0.05. In question number B, here 45%. 45%, first you convert the percentage into fraction, then we write 45 by 100. Here 45, we divide 45 by 100. So decimal shift 2 digit left. Here at present decimal here after 5, so we count 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit and put decimal. So we get 0.45. जब 100 से किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो डेसिमल क्या होगा, 2 डिजिट लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करेगा. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, हेयर 125%. 120 in fraction we can write 125 by 100, and when any number divide by 100, then decimal shift 2 digit left. At present decimal are here, so we shift 2 digit left, 1 digit, 2 digit, then you get 1.25. This is the answer. So correct is 1.25. In question number 5, here Rima scored 40 marks out of 50 in her maths test. Find the percentage of marks scored by her. Here Rima score marks in maths test is equal to 40. Total marks in maths test is equal to 50. Fraction of marks scored by Rima is equal to 40 by 50. Percentage of marks scored by Rima is equal to 40 by 50 into 100%. When we have to convert fraction into percentage, we simply multiply by 100%, and then you got 50 cancel with 100 in 2 times, then you get 80%. So Rima score 80% marks in maths test. Is it clear? Now question number B. In question number B, in second question, in a packet of 25 toffees, 3 toffees are mango bite. What is the percentage of mango bite toffees? So number of toffees in a packet is equal to 50. Number of, not 50, this is 25. Number of mango bite toffee is equal to 3. So fraction of mango bite toffee is equal to 3 by 25. Percentage of mango bite toffee is equal to 3 by 25 into 100. So 25 cancel with 4 times, so you get 4 into 3, that is 12%. So 12% toffees are mango bite. This is the answer. Now question number C. In question number C, in the month of April, a school worked for only 24 days. What is the percentage of working days? लिखेंगे, we know that number of day in April is equal to 30. number of working day in April is equal to 24. Fraction of working day is equal to 24 by 30. Now percentage of working days is equal to 24 by 30 into 100%. So 0 0 cancel, again 3 cancel with 8 times. So 8 into 10%, that is 80%. So in the month of April, school worked 70%. This is the answer. Now question number D. Here question is, in an orchid there are 250 trees, 175 of them apple trees. Find the percentage of apple trees. लिखेंगे number of trees in orchid is equal to 250. Number of apple trees in orchid is equal to 175. Fraction of apple tree is equal to 175 by 250. Now percentage of apple tree is equal to 175 by 250 into 100%. So 250 cancel with 50 by 5 times and cancel with 100 by 2 times. Again 5 cancel with 175 35 times. So you get 35 into 2, that is 70%. So in orchid 70% tree are apple tree. Today's homework complete worksheet 3. Thank you.